Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect AirPods to your Garmin Forerunner 955. First, ensure your AirPods are fully charged and placed inside their charging case. Next, open the case lid and press the small button on the back of the case for a few seconds until the indicator light begins to flash white. This puts your AirPods into pairing mode, making them discoverable by your watch. Finally, confirm your Forerunner 955 is powered on and ready. Now, let's navigate your watch. From the main watch face, press and hold the up/menu button located on the left side. This action will bring up the main menu options. Scroll down through the list until you find and select the music option. Within the music settings, you will then choose headphones to initiate the search for any nearby Bluetooth audio devices that are ready to pair. Your Forerunner 955 will now actively scan for available Bluetooth headphones. Once your AirPods appear in the list of discovered devices on your watch screen, simply select them. The watch will then attempt to establish a connection. You might see a confirmation message on your watch. Confirm this to finalize the pairing process. In just a few moments, your AirPods should be successfully connected and ready for use. To ensure everything is working correctly, try playing some music directly from your Forerunner 955. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that your AirPods are still in pairing mode with the white light flashing. You can also try repeating the connection steps from the beginning. Additionally, make sure your AirPods are not currently connected to any other devices, such as your phone, as this can prevent successful pairing with your watch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.